I would definitely recommend this to other people because the results speak for itself, and it's an investment, I think, honestly, in your health. Because I've also lost weight due to about 10 pounds, so it's not a short term thing; it's a long term investment, and you're gonna see it pay off. So a lot of I know quite a few people who have this issue with snoring or sleep apnea, and I would definitely recommend them getting this because it's a procedure that can definitely improve your health and dramatically improve your sleep.